Hi, Zoe.
Hi.
Did you have fun at daycare?
Yes.
Yeah. We have William over here being a real grump. But he's unfortunately been stuck in the car seat for a little too long. He doesn't like being in it very long. Anything longer than half an hour is too long for him. But we're just at the grocery store waiting for Grandma right now. Yeah. Ooh. Did somebody have a bright idea? Yeah? Does that make you feel better? And Lucas is asleep. Normally William would just pass out, but somebody had a nap. Yeah, it's Mommy's camera. You just got Mommy's phone. You're not getting my camera. I love you, though. We picked up Zoe. And then we're picking up groceries. And we're gonna make peanut pad thai. Peanut noodles. You wanna stop being grumpy? Please? I love you. I love you. I love you. So, Mom, how do you like your new office?
I love it. I'm waiting to get the rest of the stuff to get that organized and sorted out, but as soon as I figure out, you know, the rest of the stuff, I'm gonna paint the walls, put up decor, make this half like all office-y, businessy, you know, and then that side is gonna be craft.
This is really nice. Who bought you these two things?
My favorite daughter.
You don't have a favorite.
I know. You're both favorites for different reasons.
I came up with that.
I know.
Yeah, these actually work really well here.
Yeah, I like it because, you know, if the sun's coming in, then I can just shut it. Or I could just, if I want to look out and be a part of the world.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah.
Oh, nice.
I love it.
I like this thing. That's funny that you put that there.
Yeah.
Your office has touches of you everywhere.
I know.
I like your
Well,
dogs.
and I want to hang this up too and then change the words on a, you know, somewhat regular basis.
Mm-hmm.
And then I want to like do some more decor stuff. And then there's my little mini fridge that I'm going to start putting some snacks in, and that way I don't have to run up and down so much. And
those little snack kits that I showed you?
yeah, I actually have some in there right now. And then I got some pop in here. So I've got some overflow pop, my favorite pop.
You need to get yourself a small Brita jug that you can leave down here.
You don't like it? Is it too spicy? Well, Mommy,
He has a very maniacal look on his face.
I bet he does. He's allowed to play with it, huh, Zoe? Yeah? Did you get a cat toy?
a different juice.
Ah! You're so rude! Lucas! Say hi!
It's for you.
Hi!
It's off the table.
He's a touch slowly tripping over your feet. Baby.
William, come on.
Lucas, come here. Come here, honey.
Right.
Come here. You're going left constantly, not right. Up, down? Yeah, you're upside down.
Daddy, up.
So finish what's in your mouth.
Oh, thanks. You know I wanted one.
Don't give it to her. It's a trap.
I don't want the bitten one. You're so rude.
Don't give it to her. Don't give it to her. Don't do it. Don't do it.
I bought them.
Down, girl.
Share.
Down, girl. Down. Down, girl. Down, girl. Down. Down. Give me that. Is your mom silly, William?
Is this still recording?
I have no idea.
It has a red dot in it.
Oh, perfect. I got it all on film.
Excellent. You can't edit that out, hon.
Edit whatever.
That?
What?
Everything that just happened?
I handed her the camera because I thought you were going to break it.
What's wrong?
I'm fine, honey. I'm going to just kill your dad. It's fine.
Who farted? Who farted?
Drive by.
Hashtag drive by.
Oh, where's Amy?
Annie's at the dinner table. Don't tickle me. So fast.
Right.
William.
William's on the stairs.
Oh, honey, your turn. Go.
Go to open William.
Oh!
Hi, William.
He's like, I'm cute. He's so cute, though.
Gets it from his mama.
Aw, he gets it from his dad. He gets it from his daddy.
Nah.
But I do make good kids, like good-looking kids. I got 2 as proof. No matter the DNA, my kids are cute.
I don't know how to make ugly children.
Really? I heard your first one was great, but your second was questionable.
She's beautiful.
Yeah, she's got those big cartoon eyes. Big blue cartoon eyes.
You guys used to do that with me all the time.
I know. I used to love this as a kid, but Matt does it different. What the?
Lucas, that's probably a bad idea. You're leaning too far back, buddy.
Lean forward. Lean on your tummy.
Yeah, it looked weird. I'll show
You know
you
what?
later.
There's more than one company that makes airplanes, hon.
Oh! Okay, stop. Wait. Jump. Okay, Lucas. Put your arms out. Let's go potty?
Baby.
Okay, let's go potty, honey.
A baby bump. Fall down.
I don't think I could even lift Tasha in an airplane. Are you okay? We call that the upside down. You okay? Oh no, Lucas is. This is gonna kill me. My feet are got off the ground. I'm purposely trying to help you. Alright, you ready?
No.
I hate you.
Doesn't it?
I'm so scared. I'm gonna end up in the hospital. Stop freaking out. You ready?
All right, honey, let's do this.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Crash landing. Okay? Lucas.
Just say no.
Ready? 1, 2.
It's too heavy. I make good fast.
Well, I need your brother off of you before I You ready? 1, 2, 3. Zoe, you want to turn?
Lucas?
Jan, your turn. No.
Zoe, baby, behind me.
Zoe, you want to turn?
No.
Okay. Matt, your turn.
No.
You want to turn, Matt? I bet I can do it.
Lucas?
Hi,
Are you gonna do the Nintendo Switch?
Josh. Airplane.
You want airplane? Come
Get in the way.
here. You wiggle way too much.
Oh, yeah, wait. I like.
And
I'm sorry.
Zoe's in the kitchen or dining room eating her
Well, thank you for watching our video. I hope you have a great night.
Subscribe!
Bye!
It's like a family tree.